Good afternoon. We're gonna go take a tour of my neighbor's refrigerator because mine's so messy. So he gave me a key, and I'm quite sure that now he knows I'm here. You ready? As we see, we're entering this way. We're still unclear as to why Kermit guards the fruit, but we're leaving a peace offering for invading his refrigerator. So here we see the most beautiful array of life for the day. One is your classy sparkling water, where it's refreshing, but it's also just sort of invigorating every morning. The cold brew, without that, we would no longer be friends. The artist garden, yes, he does care about himself. And a night on Ponce IPA. Anyways, the night on Ponce was excellent. Now I taught him this. Raspberries. It's the best berry in the universe. You get both combined at the same time. Fresh seafood. Always a staple. Good for him. It's about time he listened. And when you use anything for these, when they get underneath your fingernails, I suggest a spoon, just slightly on the edge. It makes it much easier. So, for my neighbor allowing me to invade his space, thank you very much.